Roan MC Vlog TV, stick on it and stay.
TikTok and GB are easy one.
Thanks for stop by. Jesus love you.
Yes, guys, the boy run back again needing some flour, Yeah, I have to use my one hand because, I have the other hand with the camera showing down the flour, Yes, guys, making some dumpling and banana and plantain with some turkey neck, roast to turkey neck, guys. That's what I'm doing today, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Guys, I do a voice over this. I never sure I was going to video it, so I never sure when I'm cutting up the turkey neck. But guys, we see it on the fire, guys. So guys, you see, open the pot. It is a voiceover. Making some dumpling, put in a pot, guys. Now, as Kola would say, roll and press, but I'm not doing no roll and press at this time. I'm just making some dumpling. Yeah, as you can see, I'm making them different. Take a little longer to make. If I was doing a roll and press now, just roll it and press it. Yes, guys. You can see the boy again in the kitchen. As I said, I will be doing some dumpling, plantain, banana, and brown stew turkey neck. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching. Yeah, man, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. You will also see when I'm peeling the banana and the plantain, guys. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching to see the finish, guys. Yeah, man. Boy, run, Mark. Yes, guys. As you see, guys, I like to make my dumpling with caramel. I don't like the white flour. Yeah, man. I love put caramel in my flour, guys. I don't know, but to me, it tastes more better with caramel. Some love the white flour, but I don't. Yes, guys, get this prepared so I can. Yes, I'll be peeling some banana and plant now. Guys, this is the planting, guys. And when you're peeling banana, make sure that the water run over them. The water run over these, they peel better. Get to peel them better, guys. So I'll be marking them one by one, guys, and then I peel them. I will do planting also. Planting a little easier to peel, guys. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Yes, guys, as you can see, yeah, man, I'm peeling a banana. Yeah, man, putting them in the pot, guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. You want to see the progress, you know?
Wow.
Yes. Yes. Doggy, doggy, we are going, doggy, doggy.